So something cool we can do in Capcut is this thing called keyframes. Essentially, this allows us to change the scale or position of a video without cutting the clip. So something we did in our research project was we had this same photo and we wanted to zoom in on each different suburb, number or box, whatever you want to call it, and have the video transition from one to one without cutting the clip. So how can we do this? We have these diamonds here are going to help us do keyframes. So let's say we want to start at this perspective. So at the very start of the video, we're going to click to keep the scale, and let's also click it because we want to keep the position and the rotation the same. Then let's say about 1 second into the video, we want it to be zoomed in on the number 1. We're going to again click these, but this time we're going to adjust the scale. Let's say we're going to zoom into about 400%, and we're going to position it so it shows the number 1. Now, if we start again, press play, you can see that it's going to zoom into the number 1. Then we can repeat this process again. Let's say each position getting 1 second each. We'll keep the scale the same for each number for now, and we'll move this second keyframe marker to the number 2. If we repeat this another time for the 3rd second, again, place the markers again, move to 3. Maybe this time we want it to fill the screen, so we're going to adjust the scale a bit more. There we go. So from the start, now we have our 3 markers. We can press play, and we can see that it's going to jump between all of our markers. So now we have all 7 of our markers placed for all 7 of the boxes we wanted to zoom in on. And let's just say we want to zoom back out to show the full map at the start and at the end of the video. So let's go to the end of our video, the 10-second mark. Again, we'll press these, and let's go type in 100%, change the position back to 0 and 0. And that should take this marker back to the start. So if we play it through from the start, we can see it's going to zoom in on all our clips one by one, and after the final one, it's going to zoom back out and show us our full map. Now, we can also use keyframes on videos as well. This video is just an example, obviously not urban related, but let's say that we had something that we wanted to track in our video. So for example, in this, we have a ball. Let's start our first keyframe like we did before, lock it there, and let's zoom in on where the ball is. Then, as the clip progresses, we'll mark the scale and the position again and move it to follow the ball. And we'll do this a couple more times. So after we copy these markers over a couple of times, you can see that we have 3 different points where the ball is. If we then play it, we'll see that our markers help us track the ball from the start to the end of the video. So this technique can be applied to any video. Let's say you wanted to track the movement of a cyclist or a car, maybe a pedestrian. This same method can be used for that.